Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Good morning, West Michigan. 4:40 now as we check out a very snowy and slippery start to the morning commute. The live view here is from our downtown Grand Rapids Skycam, and you can notice even on US 131, the traffic moving along a little slower than average today. So what are we tracking? Well, the snow is mainly a morning event for most of West Michigan. This will make the transition into a lake effect snow event as we head through the late afternoon and evening hours as colder air gets set to wrap into West Michigan behind this initial storm system. And by the way, looking ahead at the longer range computer models, it looks like this really cold air mass lingers at least through the middle to tail end of next week. Still no end in sight. Now, temperatures outside this morning are holding in the upper teens to near 20 degrees. The problem with that is, as Matt was showing you outside and Amanda Jarrett was talking about in her live shot, the snow is holding more moisture, which makes it a very slippery snow. And so unfortunately, that is going to create some significant slippery conditions on area roads. You can see here Storm Track Live radar. The regional view here will show you some moderate to heavy snow from Grand Rapids to Greenville, also down through the Wayland area, Hopkins and Dorr burnups, Kalamazoo back through Van Buren County, also down into Berrien County. And we're on the northern side of a storm system, by the way, that is impacting much of the country. Matt was talking about how many states are under the influence of the winter storm warning or some sort of advisory. And you can see that stretches from Kansas into Missouri, all the way down into much of Tennessee, Kentucky, into the mid-Atlantic states, and also into the Northeast. And by the way, as this storm system continues to press eastward and eventually churns up the East Coast, it will be intensifying, and it is going to cause some significant flight disruption. So if you are traveling over the next 24 hours, good luck, because a lot of flights are really going to have blown up schedules. You can see here as we move through the late afternoon and evening, the snow does finally wind down. Here we are on the northern side of the storm system, then overnight tonight and into the day tomorrow. You see we have the precipitation making the change over to just a few lake effect snow showers, and that will be with us here during the day tomorrow. Colder air settles in, high temperatures only in the teens here tomorrow. And as we check out the rest of that Storm Team 8-day forecast, it does get a little breezier tonight into tomorrow as well. Highs in the teens again on Friday, and then the rest of that Storm Team 8-day forecast, as we look ahead here, we will see another round of snow here on the northern side of another big storm system regionally for the weekend. That one also looks like the heaviest of the snow will track to our south, but I think we'll see at least a couple of inches here over the weekend, back into the teens for highs here on Monday, and then highs stay only in the 20s at best as we head through the middle of next week.